Hey there, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change all the old URLs to a new URL. Here you can see that in the bottom left, these internal linking URLs are showing the old URL new.cabacoustic.com. Actually that was the subdomain where I have designed the website and then migrated to the root domain, and now I notice that all the URLs are targeting to the old URL, the subdomain. So we need to change the URL. For this I'm going to use a plugin. The plugin name is WP Migrate Lite. The plugin is already activated. You can say that why I'm using this plugin instead of other plugins. I will tell you in a real quick, but first of all let's do the task. So I'm going to tools, WP Migrate. Now you can see this plugin do a lots of things, but we are going to use the find and replace, this option. So you need to find that what you wanted to change. In this case we need to find not exactly this URL, we need to find this portion, and we need to change this portion to the actual domain. That's it. So what it will do, it will change the first portion of this URL and keep the rest all the same. You can click on the preview changes. Now it will search in your database and find that where it's going to change. You need to wait for a while. I'm pausing the video. Okay, it takes less than a minute. Now you can apply the changes. You can see that where the changes are affecting. So I have already clicked on the button that apply changes. So now we should see that all the pages have the new URL. It's still showing the old URLs. So maybe I need to clean the cache. Yep, we are done, and the issue is on the cache. So now you see that the URL has been changed to the correct URL. Let's move on to the other pages. Yeah, this is another page and I see that right URL. So let me show you that why you shouldn't use the other plugins and what problems I actually facing. So there is another plugin is real-time find and replace. Click on it. You can see that I already did a test before using this plugin. So the problem using this plugin, it works perfectly, but the issue is when you remove it, then all the changes will get back to its previous mode. So you need to keep the plugin active in your website to make things work properly. So that's why I don't like to active an extra plugin in my website or in my client's website. So what I need, that we need an actual solution where we change all the URLs from the database, and if you remove that plugin, the changes will be kept. And another plugin I try to use from WP Engine, Better Search Replace, but it's a bit confusing. I'm searching and replacing, doing a dry run, but it's not working perfectly, selecting all the database. So you need to select all the databases where you want to make the changes by clicking Alt and Shift. Then sometimes it's giving me error and asking me to change the value from, adjust the value from the here. So it feels a bit complicated. Then I found this plugin works perfectly without any issue, no error. And notice that, let's try to deactivate this plugin. Here's the plugin. I'm going to deactivate and remove the plugin from the website. Okay, it's deactivated. Clean the cache and let's see that if the changes are already there or it has been removed. So the CF story, you see that everything is there. So the changes are done from the database. Thank you so much. If this tutorial helps, just leave a comment with writing simple thanks. That really encourages me to create more videos like this. Thank you.